Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Good morning, students. Today we will discuss food chains. I hope you observe different habitats around you, and if you observe, there are different plants and animals in there. And plants are the organism which can make their own food. Plants can make their own foods. That's why they are called producers. And other organisms in habitat, you will observe, they do not make their own food. Even humans cannot make their own food. So in a food chain, animals can get their food and plants can make their own food. Okay, and these plants are then eaten by some other organisms, that is called herbivores. And these herbivores then again eaten by some other organism which may be carnivores and omnivores. So there is a food relationship in a habitat or in different ecosystem. So food relationship between different habitats, as in this picture, there is a grass which is plant. It is eaten by a rabbit, and this rabbit is eaten by fox. So the relationship between these three is represented by food chains. For example, it is written in this form, grass, and then this arrow sign. This arrow sign basically shown, it means that eaten by. This grass is eaten by rabbit, and then rabbit is eaten by fox. This basically makes the food chain. So food chain is the food relationship between different organisms. That is called the food chains. It means in food chain, plant is eaten by some herbivores, and herbivores then eaten by some carnivores and omnivores. I hope you remember these terms. Herbivores are the plant eaters, and carnivores are the animal eaters, and omnivores are the plant and animals eaters. In omnivores, they can eat plants and animals both, and carnivores only eat the animals, other flesh, or they eat meat, and herbivores eat the plants. So in food chain, different organisms are eaten by others, and this makes the food chains. Okay. In food chain, the organisms which make their own food is called producer. For example, in this case, grass is the producers, and other organism which eat others is called consumers. Consumers means that consumes others, that eats others. So in this food chain, rabbit and fox both are consumers. Okay, they are, because they consume other organisms. Okay, and in food chain there are also predators and prey. What is now predators and what is prey? Predators are actually organisms which catch and eat other animals. जो दूसरों का शिकार करके which eat others, उसे then he is eat that, अपना prey को then eat कर लेता है. And prey is the animal which is caught and eaten, जिसको predator ने पकड़ा है, and then he is eaten by that predator. So there is, in food chain there are different predators and prey. In the above food chain, for example, in grass, rabbit, fox, what is prey and what is predator? In fox is the predator because it catch and eat the rabbit, and rabbit is the prey because it is caught and eaten by fox. So in food chain there is a predator and prey. And there is another examples in your next page. For example, here in first picture you will see there is a spider and there is an ant or fly. This is fly. Then this spider eat the fly. It means here predator is spider and prey is fly. So predator is spider and prey is fly. In next figure there is lion and zebra, and in this case predator is lion and prey is zebra. Okay, and then in next figure there is bird and fish, and in this case bird is predator and prey is fish. Okay, if we explain this in terms of food chain, कैसे करेंगे आप इसको food chain में represent? In this case, for example, ये last वाली diagram में bird and fish वाली में fish eat some water plant, and then this fish is eaten by some bird. So this makes the food chain, which represent in this form. Water plant is eaten by fish, and then this fish is eaten by some bird. So this make the food chain. Okay. Okay, next page. In this, Sheila said, "I ate rice for dinner last night." So what? And then Aisha said, "I chicken, and the chicken had fed on corn." So can you make the food chain of both these? आप बना सकते हैं. For example, Sheila and rice का. So first of all rice, and then Sheila. This is rice plant, and then human being. या इस तरह से भी लिख सकते हैं इसको. राइस प्लांट इज ईटन बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग. एंड इन सेकंड आप किस तरह से बनाएंगे फूड चेन? कॉर्न इज प्लांट, एंड देन इट इज ईटन बाय चिकन, एंड देन चिकन इज ईटन बाय ह्यूमन बीइंग. सो दिस मेक द फूड चेन. ओके, सो यू कैन मेक द फूड चेन फ्रॉम दिस. Okay, next is try it out. Alice sees a caterpillar feeding on a cabbage plant. A bird swoops down from the sky and eats the caterpillar. अब इसमें caterpillar है, bird है, और इसमें cabbage plant है. तो किस तरह से आप बनाएंगे इसकी food chain? Write a food chain to represent the food relationship between the cabbage plant, caterpillar and the bird. किस तरह से होगा? सबसे पहले आएगा cabbage plant. It is eaten by caterpillar and then bird, like this. This cabbage plant, then it is eaten by caterpillar, and this caterpillar is eaten by bird. Okay, next question is write a food chain to. Next is identify the producers, predator and prey in the food chain. इसमें producers कौन सा है जो food produce कर रहा है? कौन सा produce कर रहा है? Is the plant कौन सा आपका? Yes, it is cabbage plant. और predator which catch and eat other animals. कौन सा इसमें predator? Bird. और and prey कौन सा होगा? Which is caught and eaten. जिसे आप caught किया जा रहा है और which is eaten. तो that is caterpillar. तो so this is the answer. Producer is cabbage plant, predator is bird, and prey is caterpillar. Okay, next in which habitat you find such a food chain? इस तरह की food chain कहाँ मिलती है आपको? तो it can be found in farm और garden में आपको ये food chain मिल जाएगी. Okay, next is what you have learned. ये वही points हैं जो अभी तक हम discuss कर चुके हैं. Food chain, what is food chain? इसको भी बहुत अच्छे से आपने learn करा. You learn it by heart. A food chain shows the food relationship between organisms. ठीक है, this is definition of food chain. और फूड चेन स्टार्ट्स फ्रॉम द प्रोड्यूसर कौन सा आता है? जो फूड प्रोड्यूस करता है. फॉर एग्जांपल प्लांट विच कैन मेक इट्स ओन फूड. कंज्यूमर्स कौन से होते हैं? जो फूड चेन में नेक्स्ट प्रोड्यूसर्स को और देन फिर नेक्स्ट एक दूसरे को ईट करते हैं. दैट मेक्स अ कंज्यूमर. तो कंज्यूमर ईट्स प्लांट्स एंड और अदर एनिमल विच कैन बी आइदर हर्बीवोर, कार्निवोर्स और ओमनिवोर्स. कुछ भी हो सकते हैं कंज्यूमर. They can be herbivore, carnivore or omnivores, depends upon the food chain. और next is a predator catches and eat other animals, while the prey जो है is the animal which is eaten and caught. Okay. From today I think it's enough, and you will आपका आज का assignment ये है कि you will make different food chain, at least 5 food chain बनाएं अपने रफ रजिस्टर्स पे, और इसके साथ साथ इसमें से शॉर्ट क्वेश्चंस बनाइए. इसमें भी बहुत सारी टर्म्स हैं लाइक हर्बीवोर्स, कार्निवोर, ओमनिवोर, व्हाट इज फूड चेन, व्हाट इज कंज्यूमर्स, व्हाट इज प्रोड्यूसर्स, व्हाट इज प्रे। यहाँ आप कोई फूड चेन की एग्जांपल दे सकते हैं। फॉर एग्जांपल इन लायन एंड ज़ीब्रा, व्हाट इज प्रे, व्हाट इज प्रेडेटर। आप इसमें से इसकी फूड चेन भी ड्रॉ कर सकते हैं। सो यू कैन मेक डिफरेंट क्वेश्चंस from it and learn it and okay, I hope you will learn it and okay, Allah Hafiz.